Activation and awakening of Kundalini by the beginners and experienced. Meditation is a time to be with yourself. Meditation is a time to connect with your breath, a time to be present to the life force in your body, a time to re-establish your own rhythm, a time to talk to your higher self, a time to be in love with your unique life. Meditation is between you and you.
Mantra chants are simply a way to invoke sound, vibrations in your throat. Our vocal cords vibrate as we make certain sounds. This resulting vibration channels cosmic energy through our bodies, which can generate incredible healing energy.
Kundalini mantras for 7 chakras. The chakras are subtle energy centers.
Literally wheels that exist on the physiological level as nerve channels. All except the seventh channel are located on the Sushumna, which is the central nerve channel within the spinal cord.
Life forces travels through these channels, a literal stairway to consciousness. Dare I say it a stairway to heaven.
In Vedic tradition, sound vibrations are ancient tools that tap into that underlying current of energy that exists in this entire universe but is just out of reach of our human eye. Kundalini mantras written in Sanskrit, meant to be practiced along with asana and meditation, along with breathing control.
Our 7 chakras are found in different 7 locations on our body. These are all connected with their own specific Bija mantra. By using the healing sound of a mantra practiced during meditation,
The human body functions on an energy system based on chakras. Chakras are the Sanskrit word for wheel, which describes the way in which our energy flows.
the entire world and universe is a bundle of vibrating atoms, with each atom spinning very fast at its own frequency.
Mantras just help us to get on that same frequency. Basically, Chakradhana, which is a very powerful sadhana, known to the Indian since over 5000 years. This practice basically involves concentrations on the various chakras, on energy centers in the cyclic body. Activation of these chakras would mean opening of various doors in your consciousness, thereby taking you to a very divine state of existence.
Poses. Sit in a straight spine, either in a comfortable cross-legged position, both feet flat on the floor. Relax your hands in your lap, palms up, with the right hand rested on top of the left. Keep the shoulders relaxed and the upper chest lifted slightly to support the spine.
Bring your attention to the flow of breath, breathing only through the nose. First, just notice the breath, every part of the process of inhaling and exhaling.
All the little movements within your body.
Relax yourself completely. Wait for the chanting to begin. On the main of the chakra, you could be visualize that chakras before your eyes and just concentrate on your spot in your body, which will be chanted periodically when the Bij mantra being chanted, just silently focus on that chakra. When Kundalini Arohanam is chanted, visualize a bright golden fluid flooding the chakra and turning it bright golden in color. This dhana must not be performed in the lying down portion.
Let's start with Muladhara, the root chakra, the Bij mantra that connects Muladhara chakra. This chakra is seated deep within our pelvis. It's the lowest of our chakras and rests near our reproductive organs. Because it's our base in life, just start concentrate on your preliminary zone. That is the region on your Muladhara chakra.
Kundalini Arohanam Kundalini Arohanam Kundalini Arohanam.
Next chakra is Sadhisthana, the sacral chakra, the Bij mantra that connects Sadhisthana chakra. This chakra is located just slightly above your Muladhara or root chakra.
Swadhisthane
Bang
Kundalini Harohanam Kundalini Harohanam Kundalini Harohanam.
Next is the solar plexus chakra, Manipura. The Bij mantra connecting Manipura. This chakra is in your spine, right behind your belly bottom.
श्री मणिपद में हम कुंडलिनी हरोहनम कुंडलिनी हरोहनम कुंडलिनी हरोहनम
Now shift your focus on the center of your chest. Next to your beating heart is your heart chakra or anahata. The Bij mantra associated with anahata chakra.
अनाहते
Yam Yang
Kundalini Harohanam Kundalini Harohanam Kundalini Harohanam.
Now focus on your epiglottis, the region of Visuddhi. This mantra associated with Visuddhi Chakra, our throat chakra, which empowers our voice.
Visuddhi Kundalini Harohanam Kundalini Harohanam Kundalini Harohanam.
Now focus on your center of eyebrow, the region of Agga Chakra, the Bij mantra associated with Agga. Om.
Kundalini Arohanam Kundalini Arohanam Kundalini Arohanam.
Now concentrate on the crown of your head, that is the region of Sahasrara. As the name suggests, it's located at the crown of our head.
Sahasrare
Agunduttam Agunduttam
Kundalini Arohanam Kundalini Arohanam Kundalini Arohanam Muladhara Sadhisthane श्रीमणिपद में हम अनाहता विशुद्धि Om Kundalini Harohanam Kundalini Harohanam Kundalini Harohanam.
Now simply lie down on Savasana. That is, you could lie down facing your eyes on the sky side. Leave your arms loose at either sides of your body and close your eyes and breathe normally.
If you think that this video is helpful to you, please subscribe, like, comment and write to my email ID.
Thanks for watching this video. Thanks.